Hi everybody, it's Sebastian Boyer, the approved guy. Thanks for visiting and watching my videos. If you like what you're seeing and hearing, please like, share, and subscribe. This helps me to share this information and get it out there. I really appreciate you guys watching and subscribing to my channel. Today, I'm going to introduce to you something new, a website that I've created called startupcred.com. That StartupCred is short for Startup Credibility. Over the next week or two, I'm going to be going over each section of the site, which basically covers several areas. So let's get right into it. Let me show you the site. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this and appreciate it. This is going to be a free resource for everybody so that you can log in and get access to resources and tools to get educated, to start your company, to build your company. I really hope you're going to appreciate it. Again, please like, share, and subscribe. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and take a look. All right, here we go. You guys should be seeing my screen. If you are seeing it, then basically this is the website, startupcred.com. StartupCred is short for Startup Credibility. Again, it's your free access to starting a business and everything from getting started to being successful, expansion, and growth. But it all starts with the first step, right? So it is free to register. You can come back and log in once you create a username and password. And basically, some of the content we're going to cover and you're going to get access to is going to include, of course, your step-by-step guide to starting a new business properly, along with all the tools and resources you'll need to do it right. So the first thing we start off with is how to form a company with your Secretary of State and how to get that done right, properly without spending a lot of money and excessive fees in the areas of $2,000–3,000 with a lot of attorneys and CPAs. There's a lot more affordable options, including just doing it yourself if you're comfortable doing that. So I'm going to show you that. Additionally, once you get that done, you're going to need to set up your business checking account. So I'm going to show you a web-based fintech business account that you can get access to. Then you need to dress up your company so that it's credible. Credibility just means that your business is legitimate in the eyes of the banks, bureaus, and and especially the business credit bureaus, namely Dun Bradstreet. And there's three basic things that you need to do to be credible, which we're going to go over that. Once you get that done, you need to get some basic branding, some business cards, your logo, basic business identity and branding. You're going to definitely need to get set up with Dun Bradstreet and start establishing that business credit. If you're going to accept credit card payments from payment processors, you'll need to get a merchant account to do that. We're going to go into that. Depending on your industry, you may need to have commercial insurance and health insurance for yourself or employees. You might want to consider small business insurance, key man insurance, even retirement planning and implementing your own infinite banking concept. We're going to talk about that later on as well. You might want to look into getting a loan or funding to start and launch your business. So you need startup business funding, or later on you might be looking to expand. You might need someone to help you establish a business plan. So very important step in building out and growing your business is having the right business plan. And then ultimately you might be looking for a CPA or a tax professional, as well as legal counsel. There are a few options where it's kind of do it yourself. And then of course, you can tap into legal experts and hold attorneys on retainer or CPAs on retainer. Beyond all that, I do provide private business coaching, and I would definitely be happy to support you from start to finish with your business. That is optional, but I will give you a free consultation. I want to end, courage is a resistance to fear, mastery of fear, not absence of fear. So having real courage is not that you're afraid, but it's that regardless of that fear, you move forward, you press through. So take control of your future. If you're thinking about starting a business and you just don't know where to start, this is why we created this website, so that you have a tool, a platform that's not going to cost you anything to get access to education and coaching. You're going to have a whole bunch of videos coming out just on each of these topics, and I definitely look forward to helping and educating you. And again, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share. That helps me to get the word out and to help more people. I really appreciate it. Thank you for listening today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. where we're going to be discussing the first step, which is going to be starting your business and launching your business properly. And again, there's two ways to do that. You're doing it yourself or hiring an expert. All right, looking forward to that next video. See you soon.